In this lesson, I will explain to you how to format data, and we will also discuss the difference between apply and close and apply. So first of all, we will discuss the data type. See here, the data type is text data type. ABC means text. Actually, it should be the whole number. Similarly, these two columns are fine here. This is also fine. Here is ABC. It should be actually decimal. So again, there are two or three different ways how we can change the data type. The easiest way is just click on this data type. This is ABC and it should be decimal. So click on the decimal. It will be now right aligned. Your numbers will be right aligned with 1.2 will come up. It means it is the decimal data type. Individually, you can perform this function to all columns, but if you want to apply in all columns, so what you have to do, select and then press and hold shift, select all these columns. If you want to select alternate columns, so what you have to do, select first one and then press and hold control. With the help of control, you can select according to your choice. So here I am going to apply the shift function. Press and hold shift and then select the last column. Go to the transform tab and then this is the detect data type. Click on the detect data type. Automatically all the columns will have now exact data type which we are looking for. This is the decimal. Here again it is the whole number. Right, now we will discuss the difference between apply and close and apply. Go to home tab and open this. See, in the close group open, we have three options: close, apply, close and apply. Close means close. We are not going to close here. Apply means whatever formatting we did so far. If you click on apply, it will show us that it is applied to our data, and if we have some error it will pop up. Then we will discuss how to remove those errors as well. Close and apply, if you click here, it means query editor will close and it will apply and your data will be on the Power BI desktop. Here we are on the query mode, so I'm going to apply this function only, apply, and then you will see whatever formatting we did, it will apply on this data. It will take few seconds because it is a large data, and if there will be some errors, it will show us that there are some errors. Now you can see we have some errors in our data. Whatever formatting we did, there are some errors. So click on this view errors. We will see what kind of errors we have. Then I will show you how to remove those errors. Again, it will take few seconds. So see here we have now new group and the error is in the combined population combined query. Here we have some errors, right? So what you have to do, click on this query population combined, go to the home tab and remove rows. Open this and you will see there are different options which we had discussed in the last few lessons. Remove errors. Click on this remove errors and your errors will be removed here. Again, it will take few seconds to remove the errors. Okay, then one more thing, that in our year data, if I will open, remember when we were importing this data, there were some null values here. So I will load more because our data starts from 1950 to 2100, 21. So it will take few seconds again because it's a large data. It will take time to retrieve. Now see here, the null is here, so we will deselect it and say OK. So our data is clean now. We had removed all the errors and then we had also removed the null values. Now delete this group because we do not want this group here. Again, what is group we will discuss in the next lesson. It was not here before. Okay, so it is deleted now. Now we will again apply and you will see now our data is clean. There are no errors. It will take few seconds. So now our data is clean. We did formatting. Now you have to practice it. If you have any question, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.